my granddaughter, Suri, and this is my beautiful granddaughter, Cherie. And today we are going to do a
pizza mukbang.
Is it a challenge?
Yes.
It's a challenge.
To see who eats the most pizza.
You think you could eat more pizza than me?
Yes. Yes.
What is your favorite pizza?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni, and yours is what?
Cheese.
Let me see what you have there. Flip it over. Oh, I love pineapple. I love pineapple. So we
flip it over.
Yeah. Do we have a song?
Yes. Cheese and pepperoni. Cheese and pepperoni. I got cheese on the left, got the pepper on the right. Will you eat my pizza tonight? I'm eating real good. I'm eating real fresh. You know my pizza is the best. Hey!
Okay. So let's dig in and see who can eat the most pizza. Alright? You want to tell them what kind of pizza you have?
Yes. Cheese.
And you?
Pepperoni.
Okay. So let's dig in.
I'll say go to this.
You take it out. You can handle that.
Oh!
You want that?
Yes, please.
Take it, please.
Thank you.
This is delicious. So what do I want to talk about?
Our channel. We have a channel called the Toilet Cooking Channel.
You mustn't, after I tell you, you mustn't talk with your mouth full, you know. Swallow and then tell me what it is you're saying.
We have a channel called the Totally Cool Awesome Channel.
The Totally Cool Awesome Channel featuring Suri and Shuri. So you guys subscribe to their channel. They're doing a wonderful job. Okay? This pizza is kind of hot, you know. Who do you think will win the channel? Who do you think is going to win this challenge?
Me.
You? Why you?
Because I'm the prettiest. So when we do on our channel, we like do toy reviews. We go on fun trips, and we like show stuff like different kind of toys. And sometimes we like to do fun activities like with bubbles or jump or stuff, and and we love to play around a lot.
So Shuri.
So when we do our channel, we play with bubbles and we will jump around and stuff, and we show different activities and show toys.
Is that exciting? What's the most exciting part of your video?
Showing the toys.
Showing the toys? What about you?
Doing the activities.
What activities do you guys do?
We do we had a video done with Glove Bubble.
You know?
It's called Glove Bubble.
Glove Bubble.
And we go to Sky Zone, which is a trampoline park.
That sounds exciting. You like Sky Zone?
Yeah.
What do you like about Sky Zone?
When we get to jump around.
Jump around.
Mine's Segway.
How old are you?
4.
You're 4? How old are you?
7.
So you all are you're YouTubers?
Excuse me.
You all are very young YouTubers. Do you like being on YouTube?
Yeah.
Why do you like being on YouTube?
Huh?
Why do you like being on YouTube?
Because when we're on YouTube, the more you record, the more you get subscribers.
Ooh! So how many subscribers you all have by now?
60.
Oh, that's a lot! Don't you think so? You already eat. This is my third piece of pizza, you know. How much you eat already?
2.
And how much you eat? You're eating pieces and pieces and pieces. Eat up the pizza. It's a competition.
This is my 3rd pizza.
Oh, this thing's spicy.
I can't really eat the crust though.
You can't eat the crust. Give me the crust. Let me eat the crust for you. So you finish eat that. I will eat the crust. Your grandmother will eat the crust.
Okay.
Right? So, try not to talk and eat, okay? Make sure you don't have food in your mouth when you talk because you will what? What will happen to you?
So
You will choke. Alright. Shuri. Let me ask you a question. You love your grandma?
Yeah.
Give me a kiss. Ah, that is so sweet. That is so sweet. So, what do you want to be when you grow up?
A chef.
A chef? Oh God.
You gonna cook me up some macaroni? Yeah.
Listen. So, do you know about my channel?
Mm-hmm.
What do I do on my channel?
You cook food.
You like my food? Alright. I cook a lot of food. And make sure that you eat a lot of food, okay? This crust is really good. Come on, start biting into it. Bite into your food. You understand? So, what about school?
Huh?
Tell me about your school.
My school, we do a lot of fun stuff. Like, I think our next field trip is gonna be probably the zoo.
The zoo? Oh, you can see all kind of animals in the zoo, you know. There's all kind of animals in the zoo. Monkey, tiger, gorilla, elephant, birds, what again? Squirrel,
Zebra, unicorn.
You see it? Wait, just now, wait until I ask you. So, Shuri, what you say you saw a unicorn? What does a unicorn look like?
It has a rainbow tail, rainbow hair. It has a white skin. And it has a unicorn horn that's rainbow too.
That's an exciting animal. So where do you think that unicorn come from? Where it came from?
Unicorn land.
Where do you think that unicorn came from? Trinidad?
No.
Where?
Fairyland.
Fairyland. Ooh! Did you see a unicorn? What did you see?
I saw like a glittery zebra. A glittery zebra.
What did this get thing from? Glittery zebra in the zoo? Tell me what it looked like.
It was a zebra and then it had a bunch of sparkles on it.
A real zebra. A living zebra. In the zoo. Eating and drinking. Eating and drinking? So it's real?
Yeah.
Oh God. Oh God. I never seen no glittery zebra. You ever see a glittery zebra?
Yeah.
You see, she says she didn't see it, but you see it. So were you imagining that or was it real?
We went to the zoo in my school on a field trip.
And you saw it? Alright, I believe you. I really believe you. Because I went in the contest, you know, because you just playing the fool with your pizza. Eat the pizza.
You haven't been to the zoo before.
Eat the pizza. We're talking zoo now. Eat the pizza.
My grandma makes the best food ever.
I do? But you like to pinch your food. You eat like a bird. Look how you eating. Huh? You like my food? You like my food, eh? Yeah? What about you? What about you?
Me too.
You like the food too? But you all hardly eat. You're picking the food. Look how you how you eat the pizza. Your stomach full?
No.
Alright, we'll start eating. Guys, as I said, these are my two beautiful granddaughters. Shuri
Get Shuri.
and Shuri. I tell you, when I eat good food, I just belch. I belch with my two grandchildren. Listen, like and subscribe to my channel, Andrea's Trini Show, and like and subscribe to my granddaughter's channel. What's the name of the channel?
The Totally Cool Awesome
The
Channel.
Totally Cool Awesome Channel, where you're gonna see loads of interesting facts, beautiful stuff to laugh at, and some real tasting food. So, from our house to your house, we want to wish you a happy New Year.
Yeah.
We're gonna see you again in the new year with lots of new videos. This is a girl Andrea and the two grandkids saying, see you guys.
Bye.